All right, guys, as we say, this I app again for the people that might use them phone. Maybe do one laptop version or actually for the education version. So this are the app version, right? So you can do everything on the app, literally everything. So you can go on your live session then on the app, you can take a trade from your app. So what you wanna do is which part you see the plus sign to the right, the icon to the right, you click on that to go upon the academy. What is the academy? Is actually the course we teach you from basic to advanced. So if you're busy, you can go through the course anytime you feel like or upon your own timing. You can stop when you feel like. The videos are always there. You can always repeat. So I just click on that. All right, it'll load. I have a heap of things on the background, so my phone a bit slow. Right. So you have the welcome video. And then you have this, right? So English we talk. By the way, this is in Italian. It have English. So if you know anybody will talk English, then Spanish, it's worldwide. So for everybody, it is worldwide, right? So good. You have your welcome video. See that 3 minutes. You have your video about support and resistance, which is this one, right? See video there. Boom. You watch a video on your phone. See it there. Now me tell you, say I never know long nothing. Me tell you, say I never know long nothing. So on the app, you can go through it like this. On the website, you have to go through the first video if you can go on the second video. I normally watch it on the website because I love the big screen. I no watch education on the app. I just use the app to trade them and for live session, and if any alert about trades or when live session go come up, we have that.
Smaller, manageable blocks can help prevent burnout.
Welcome video. And everything. You go back on the 3 line to the left. And you go, when you're done your support and resistance, you go on your risk management. You go on.
Welcome to FL2 and our trading school.
Notice.
We are so thrilled to have you join our educational community, where you'll embark on an exciting journey to learn and master the world of trading. Throughout this journey, you'll acquire
I seem still a talk. Right. This is the first course that you will ever take that have psychology in it. I've been in the trading industry for a while, and I'll maybe just pay attention to our technicals. And funny enough, psychology is 90%. And most of the course that I ever take is not like this, no capping, because majority of them don't have psychology, and psychology is a big part of trading. And when we start the psychology, a lot of things changed for me in my trading career. It was challenging, yes, but it changed because I'm more like technical. My drop charts. I'm not psychology where psychology wish part. No, I didn't pay that no mind. So see, this course have psychology. So that means the time I me take phone time supposed to cut even shorter along with the app. I don't have like enough help. Right, so you have the introduction, getting started video, 4 minutes. This is I don't know long so I'm just getting a Forex book and I'll go through introduction to Forex, what is Forex, so you know where to do. And then you have quiz at every section. You have a quiz. See there again, you have introduction to trading psychology. On a need feel like pay attention to this. So you see it, setting goals, realistic goals. Another set no goal where people tell us, oh, we just start trade last week, I'll make 1 mil. Yeah. Unless you have a big capital, right? Good. See the beginners and everything. So this is the course, right? And this is I don't know long drawn out video. So on your first day, you can actually do 10 videos. You can say, all right, may I spend 1 hour a day in the academy, or 30 minutes, or whatever fits you, or 2 hours. And you take time, go through, you have your Forex book and rush through nothing. By the way, you can just try the app on the website. You have to go through the first video if you can unlock the second video. So you can't skip through. You can't skip through. May I skip through now because I actually go on it on my website. So I go through all of them in video already. So that's why I say me can click them again. The ones that you go through already, you can always watch them over. It's always there, right? So good. Money supply and demand. For the intermediate trader, for the people that are familiar with trading, you know them something, you see where it have market structure. You need to know if you do that technicals. You have indicators. You have breakout. Them teach you enough Fibonacci. See there. Trading school. You know, look at that. So I don't know. Fubble double. When it reach intermediate, now you have stop on that where them stop you out and all of them something there. That where them fake you out, you see me? So see there, now have everything. This is the best Forex course, no cap. And then when you reach advanced, now you know say advanced people. Yeah. Advanced. Right? Pivot point, US 30, and them something there. Anyways, when you get on, you can get deeper. I'm just showing you the app and what go on. I'm showing you say it legit because I know it is legit. The people them where they're on this, every company that they were ever a part of is still around. Not me hear some people say, yo, me did in one company. I want to see beginning of the year and the company disappear with their money. No. No, yes, so. You can research your company, you can go download. As a matter of fact, you can download the app right now. It's just that you're not going to get access to this. So you can go up on a app if you're an iPhone user for the iPhone people them. And you can go up on the App Store. If you're an Android user, you know, so you go up on your Play Store and you download the app. The app name is nvisionu. It's nvisionu, the letter U. You will see the app come up, nvisionu. It's bluish, it's just as how you see it before in the previous video. It is dark blue and it have like NVU in it. Right? You download it. You can see all the trades. You can even keep track and see all of the trades that has been taken. But however, you can't go take the trade them. So you go see the results of the trade and all of them track records. I don't know. You know, everything is documented. Right? So as I was saying before, my mentor, every company that man was a part of is still around right now. And you can research it. A company like this is where I got hope to learn how to trade. My journey did rougher. I never have all of this in the previous company. So that's why I tell them that this is it. And you're not supposed to have no problem. The upper one, come on, until you can go through and learn from yourself. You go pick up the skills easy, but the psychology part of it take a while. So that's why you have the app where you can go and make money in the meantime. You master that, right? So yeah.